In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file with a link and set permissions. Let's keep this simple and clear. We'll start by selecting the file you want to share, then open the sharing panel, choose the right access level, decide what people can do with the file, copy the link, and finally share it wherever you need. First, open your storage or document tool and select the file you want to share. Make sure you've picked the correct file, especially if you're working with similar names or multiple versions. A quick preview helps confirm you're on the right one before you continue. Next, click the Share button. Depending on your app, this might appear as a button labeled Share or as an icon. Clicking it opens the sharing window, where you'll control how others can access your file. In the sharing window, look for the section called General Access. Click the small down arrow next to it. This expands your options and shows who can currently see the file. By default, it might be restricted to just you or your team. We're going to change that so you can share with anyone who has the link. Choose the option called Anyone with the Link. This means people don't need a specific account or invitation to view the file. They just need the link. Keep in mind, link-based access is convenient, but it's also broad. Anyone who gets the link can open it, so use it thoughtfully and avoid sharing sensitive content this way. Now decide what role people will have. You'll see 3 choices: viewer, commenter, and editor. Viewer lets people look at the content without making changes, which is ideal for read-only sharing. Commenter allows feedback and suggestions without altering the original content, great for review cycles. Editor grants full editing rights, perfect for collaboration, but only give this to people you fully trust to modify the file. When your access and role are set, click Copy Link. This places the unique sharing link onto your clipboard, ready to paste. If your tool shows a confirmation or a checkmark, that simply means the link is successfully copied. Click Done to close the sharing window and return to your file. Nothing changes in your document at this point. You've just finished configuring and capturing the link. Finally, paste the link into an email or any place you want to share it, like a message, a project tracker, or a document. Add a short note explaining what the link is for, and if needed, mention whether recipients can view, comment, or edit. That's it. Your file is now shared with the right people with the right permissions using a single, easy-to-use link.